So I'm just having a little language therapy with the guy at the reception early this morning. And it's Aranquest. So I thought it was Aranjules, but Aranquest. So this is the camping brochure, which I have. So I'm just going to show you where we are. We're up on that terrace up on the left-hand side there, and we had a little drive around. We didn't really have a look around outside last night. It was a bit fast moving, so we were desperate to get some food in that restaurant. Oh, by the way, the pizzas that we had last night, oven baked, fresh as a daisy, and they were incredible. Behind me, yesterday, they were dropping these lovely holiday bungalows in with a truck. I reckon they've just dropped this one in. I think this was the one he was lifting onto the pad. But aren't these nice? Look at the colours of these bungalows. They're brand spanking new, lot. And all different colours. And yeah, literally just being installed. Like there's sealer containers on the floor with her. But look how nice these are. Look at this. Perfect for an overnight stop down here if you're even driving down. But these are lovely. There's even pitches right down the end here. Obviously there's that little bit of construction there. The truck was there, so no one's actually come down here, so there's still plenty of room up the top end of the site. But I'll tell you what, there's some nice pitches down here actually. It looks like there's another shower facility over there. Let's just have a little look. See what it's like. So this is not really being used too much at the moment. There's sinks. Let's have a little look in round. Show you what it's all about. Oh, that looks really good. Sort of little terracotta roof. They've got sinks and mirrors. Oh, nice showers, look. All down through. They got these big, kind of like bowl, stand in the bowl type of shower. But yeah, it looks like this end at the moment. Toilets down there, but yeah. So it looks like by the time if you come down here, come and see how the bungalows are getting on. It looks like they're coming. It looks like they've got some more deliveries. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 more units to go in here. They're using up some of this space down the bottom of the camping. It's yeah, they're looking really nice. There we go, we're on the drain. Chemical toilet discharge there, perfect. There's that beautiful restaurant down there ahead, and we're on the move again. Back out on the road, heading north. Called? Terry. Terry. Oh, Terry. Oh. Terry! Terry! Hang on. I'll just, how you getting on, mate, all right? That's all right, I'll just...
your wash bag. Put your seatbelt on.
Oh, so Barry was heading away from his motorhome without his wash bag. But I thought he'd actually left it in the shower block, but he was heading the wrong direction. So he's going back to get his wash bag. Fair enough.
After 300 yards, turn left.
There they go.
There's another one.
Fresh delivery. can see the skyline just about in the distance of Madrid now, so we're just like approaching Madrid. I think it's A4 motorway, something like that. But this what it looks like on the perimeter of Madrid. It's pretty industrial, pretty built up, and they have McDonald's, lots of them. Quite a big, I don't know what that monument is over there. Like there's a sort of big monument with a statue up there. I'll look that one up. We'll record that one if anybody knows what that is. But we're ploughing on towards Madrid. I think I just saw a sign. I think I looked at that one actually. There's another camping in this area, Camping Madrid, something like that.
Half a mile, keep left.
So this is kind of maybe the area. That might be a bit closer than we've just come from to the city.
Do you want to get in this lane?
Yeah, I'm going to just drift over.
Keep left.
Oh, wait, where am I going? We are going... Middle, yeah, that's it. There's the city, there's the...
Oh, it's... Oh my God, it's all...
Yeah, there's the kind of like, it looks like the centre down through the middle. Huge place.
You have to do that next time, maybe. Camp.
Yeah, not been into the city, so...
Then take a trip in. Catch it.
It's all going on. We're circling around Madrid. All the action around here. Crikey.
Is that the big post?
Oh yeah, a bit of a tower. Look, Santander 383, 384 to Bilbao.
404.
Yeah. Pamplona, is it? Pamplona. See the plane pulling up? It's coming around by the airport. Plane crane just hauling up.
That's Sweeties.
Yeah, so it's busy.
And another one, right?
And another one.
Yeah.
They're busy.
Wow. That's 4 within a matter of minutes.
He's peeling off around that way, look.
Yeah.
Back on the epic roads. Yeah, certainly back on the incredible scenery again today on this road. A1 north towards Burgos, and yeah, what can you say? Look at that rock. Right up across. Yeah, so we just pulled off the road, and we've got a couple of baguettes up the road, some nice fresh baguettes in the service area. So we just come down, found a nice little spot down here. It looks like a kind of recreational park. I saw I was coming down over the hill on the motorway, and I saw the water. It looks like another dam down through here, and they've got this kind of like beautiful recreational park. I just came down, and so yeah, we're on the car park of the entrance to it, having our sausages and egg baguette, and I'm getting hungry. But yeah, this is the plan lot. So they've got the this is like the entrance. What's this? Yeah, it just looks like it's a bit of a park, swimming pool, recreational area. I can just see down through. It's just, oh, let's just have a look. The guy came down and opened the gate. Looks really nice. Just have a look through the gate. Bit of a reception. Right, okay. Oh, look at this. Crikey. Looks amazing. Let's have a little look. Recreational park. So up on a bit of a bell. Oh, hello mate. Well, I've been looking around the biggest swimming pool in Spain, you know, as you do, you know, sort of like, what is it, Wednesday dinner time? Yeah, dinner time, 12 o'clock. Caroline's here, busy, doing the last of the sausage baguettes, and we're going to chuck a fried egg in as well, look, just for good measure. Look at that. Are you getting hungry yet? Because I am. I'm starving. Yeah, so they got the probably the biggest drone on the planet. And away she goes to get a shot of this incredible swimming pool. Look at that, look. He's flying up there, look.